former showdown, I say, Addai Nimoh appears to be okay with the air course. Addai.
It be my showdown, Mr. Mema show up.
Also, my show up.
Mr. Mema show up.
I say,
you know.
But process ni not to say, ma'am.
Process not the Kofi and Kasa. National Council Executive Committee, Elections Committee, chaired by Professor Michael Kwe. Ye meetings be initially that time na Professor Michael Kwe na woni Ghana no amanone.
Okay.
The vice chairman Kwabra Bankwa Yeboa.
Yeah.
Former
national treasurer.
On the vice chairman. So no na a chair. Inti ye no omo nyina na ye develop a
roadmap.
Yes, the guidelines for the conduct of the super delegates elections on August 26. About 12 August 26, no documents miensa na ehia. First of all, guidelines. Ebechere time ebeto aba, eda ebeto aba, delegates composition ebeto aba, nhihye wa obi delegate bia intimi nkoye polling agent and candidate bia ene wo munyina na ye develop ye na yete ye ho ase no campaign.
Okay.
Yes, anhihye ni nyina. Now that is the first document. Second document a register.
Okay.
Or the album. Yenso elections committee de my all the aspirants, you go through your vete, baby, ubi a ye nim say any council or your delegates biano, you point it out to all of them.
Okay.
Maybe one or two areas be and constitutionally no, and in him. One, the chief of staff as a delegate.
Or to be.
Okay. One. And directors at the head office our non-voting members of the National Executive Committee.
Okay.
Also to be. Any chairpersons of National Council standing committees.
Okay.
National Council standing committees near one Finance Committee of the party, a Legal and Constitutional Committee, Organizational Committee, Disciplinary Committee. Then there's another committee, about one or two more. Chairpersons, no na constitution, no, but eventually, no, all these chairpersons, no, they were part of the college delegates, including chief of staff and then directors at the national office. Register anymore. Then the third document, a proxy.
Okay.
Proxy no so in all, out of the over 900 delegates, 20 and a year proxy. 20 and a year proxy. Proxy no so do no. Out of the 20, I think majority never Ashanti.
Yeah, Ashanti region. Yeah.
Ashanti region and not proxy
Yeah.
Akoma FM. Enwa krata so de ye tintim na kama. Ma yenye campaign, ma yenye say. Na ebedru implementation. You know, on paper it looks nice,
but
so
implementation,
beautiful, but the implementation no and ya.
Ebedru your campaign.
Oba Ashanti region constituency chairman for Nedom Kugu Norda Hotel.
When Nedom Kugu.
Yes. So when there was Odom Kugu Honomo. If we say Kofi in the TF4, rules no. See elections no a year from 9 a.m.
to
1 p.m. 4 good hours.
Akoma FM.
It is ufri ejura eneba. Ufri drobonso eneba. Ufri new edubiasi as chairman enawo ba. Ufri offenso say afrancho and akumadan enawo ba. At least that 4-hour period no there. Senya torrent chambi ne beto there. Usimu anopa. ubetimi ayede aba bidru ansa na donko abo. And that's the reason why a committee in 4 hours. Otherwise, regions ni bi ohonuma delegates 30.
87.9 Kumasi.
Baby and delegates also pa head office.
Yeah.
Polling center na head office. Followed by Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Ashanti region 100 and less than 120 delegates and then they were Ashanti region. And he said nipa less than 120 to aba. Ya hon more to aba. Sen can ye within 30 minutes 1 hour. I was here to me tuning in a per committee no yen say a 4-hour period and I was here to aba. So that sa campaign some
e be free.
Imam. Ye will be anka say ye kwa akoda baby ba.
87.9 Kumasi.
Obi sori anopa na ofin esimo ni krom a.
Obetu
ya oko. And ye say 2 memma delegate bia. Memma minister. Memma chief executive. And I'm say a party na wa ben with chief executive. And now municipal district metropolitan chief executive. Party officer at the constituency level, regional level, national level. Bia ni hwa obetimi aye polling agent.
Okay.
For any of the candidates.
Even in the first super delegate.
Yes.
Where he was part of.
Yes, no a part of
rules, no.
Yes, no a part of the rules.
I see.
87.9 Kumasi.
Me twe mo no. Me hu ba bia these categories of officers are banning wo mo no. Obi kokoye polling agent. But yeso to aba nso so a memfa enkyere. Oto aba memfa nkyere. We delegate na to aba. Enhia sa odi be kyere. Ye twere itintim ye. And the other thing also be ebekọ akoto aba.
Odi be kyere.
Ye di say a secret ballot. Na otu wi a o de kwa akokyere. So nkwa na aye be ma. Na o de akwa akokyere. Ana wo 2 year na no adane na de akyere obi. There be enye sa. Eno ne ba BC wo. Northeast. Even Ashanti regional youth organizer. I refer na ma disciplinary committee. So sanome nya enhwe ni ne hu ehia. Region amount say any form of camping eba so one of the regions amount here Bono region.
Okay.
So far mente say omo sheda kogu baby baako. Be minim say binum free omo constituencies be dey da. But one example I'm the man's Ashanti region. I didn't know so many other hotel. What was the rationale? Well, Kofi made a memusa the order But I didn't know also Mokogugu.